In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Habit Tracker PowerUp in Trello. Start by opening Trello and logging into your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board where you want to use the Habit Tracker PowerUp. Make sure you choose the correct board, because PowerUps are added board by board, not across your entire workspace. After the board opens, look to the top right corner and click Power Ups. This opens the area where Trello lets you browse and manage extra features for that specific board. From there, click Add Power Ups so you can search for the one you need. In the search bar, type Habit Tracker. As the results appear, look for the option called Streak Habit Tracker. When you find it, click on it to open the installation option. Then click Add, and when Trello asks you to confirm, click Add again. That installs the Power Up onto your board. Once that part is done, go back to your board and open any card where you want to use the habit tracking feature. Inside the card, look for the Power Ups section near the lower area of the card window. Click Power Ups, then select Streak, and after that, click Enable. This activates the habit tracker on that card so you can start using it. At this point, the installation is complete, and the Power Up is ready to use on your Trello board. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip here. If you don't immediately see the Power Ups option inside the card, give the card a moment to fully load, or close and reopen it. Trello can sometimes take a second to refresh after a new Power Up is added. Also, if the search result doesn't show up right away, try typing the full name more carefully and check for spacing, since small search differences can affect what appears. Another helpful thing to remember is that adding the Power Up to the board is only the first part. You still need to open a card and enable Streak there before it becomes active in the place where you'll actually use it. That's the part many people miss. And that's it. You've now successfully installed the Habit Tracker PowerUp in Trello and enabled it on a card. Once it's set up, you can start organizing recurring habits and keeping track of your progress directly inside your Trello workflow.